Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve Accenture actual question, which was asked on 28th of June 2023. So we are going to solve the complete aptitude reasoning and then networking security and common application. So we are going to do a lot of problem in this video. So please watch the video till the end. So let us start with question number 1 here, right? Okay. Now, so mark the odd one out. So friends, from here, you have to mark the odd one out, right? So the logic will be little different. We need to think here. So 12. How can you write 12? So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 36. How can you write 36? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 4 is 36. So basically, we are doing the prime factorization, right? That means the smallest factor. 80. How can you write 80? So 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 5 is 80. Now if you'll see the pattern, 2, 2, and then 3. 3, 3, 4. 4, 4, 5. The next will be 5, 5 into 6. So 25 into 6 will be 150. But here we have 140, and that is what is odd one out. You can mark your answer as A. Anyway, next will be 6 into 6 into 7. So which will be 252, correct? And then 7 into 7 into 8, which will be nothing but 392, right? Okay. So all other are following the pattern except this 140. Now let us move to next question. So here we have CARD. Okay, CARD is written as ACDR. Then we have to write beat. Okay. Now friends, here if we'll try to analyze, then first and second letter has been interchanged, third and fourth letter has been interchanged. Same thing here you do. So E and B will be interchanged, and then T and A will be interchanged. EBTA. Option D will be the correct answer here, right? Okay. Now next question. So we have 92, 97, 104, 113, 124. We have to find out the missing term here, right? So here the difference is 5, then the difference is 7, then the difference is 11, then the difference is 13. So next difference will be, sorry, 5, 7, 9, and here the difference is 11. So the next difference will be 13. So 7 and 12 plus 1 is 13. So 137, that means option D will be the correct answer, right? So the difference is 5, the difference is 7, the difference is 9, the difference is 11, and the next difference will be 13, right? Let us move to question number 4. Friends, before that, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that any hiring, internship, or preparation videos, you will not be missing it, right? And also friends, see, if you are going to write any of the exam, either Accenture, TCS, Infosys, any examination, then we have started aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop by Pratik sir, and that is going to start from today itself, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so friends, do enroll here. Basic to advanced level questions will be taught, and classes will be by Pratik sir. Recording of the classes will be automatically shared on daily basis. Explanation will be given. You can ask your live doubts. Each and everything you will be getting just in 149 rupees. The link is in description. Enroll today without fail. You will be also getting the certificates. Now, question number 4. So find the missing term. So friends, here we have AB, and next will be C, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F. After F, it will be G, and then Hij, right? So Hij, then here it will be L, and then it will start with M, right? So starting with M, we have only one option. So here we have 2 letter AB, then DEF 3 letter, then 4 letter, then here it will be 5 letter like M, N, O, P, Q. So option B will become the correct answer, right? So friends, Accenture question will be generally easy. Okay. Now, friends, so find out the missing term here. So now let us try to analyze how this are there. So L, M, N, O, right? So L, M, N, O, and O. But before that, friends, if we'll try to see, so we have 3, 6, 9. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So the next number will be 12. Okay. So only number, about number, if you'll think, then it is 12. Okay. So 12, that means option B and option C will become wrong. See, you have to eliminate the option in the examination, and then only you will be able to do well in the exam, right? Then only you will be able to finish one question in 1 minute. Friends, basically you will be given 90 question to solve in 90 minutes, okay? Per question 1 minute. Now, so this number is clear. Now we will try to focus on later. So L to A, LMNO, so basically plus 3, then OPQR plus 3. So next will be RSTU, right? So plus 3 will be nothing but U. So U will be my first letter and 12 will be my last number. Now, so we have two options left. So the first option, it is starting with V, so it cannot be our answer. Option D will become the correct answer, right? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Next question. So if cake is coded as 400, PAE is coded as 64, then how bake will be coded? Friends, in this kind of question, the position matters a lot, right? So the position of alphabet, there it should be there in your mind. Okay, what is the position? Like A is the first letter, B is second letter, C is third letter, D is fourth letter, E is fifth letter, F is sixth letter, right? F, G is seventh, H is eighth, I is 9, J is 10, K is 11, like this. Okay, I have also told you the method. How can you keep that in mind? So EJOT. So keep this in mind. EJOT. E position is 5, J position is 10, O is 15, T is 20, and Y is 25. Okay. Now, so cake is coded as 400. Okay. Now, so what is the code for C? Code for C is 3. Code for A is 1. J. Code for J is 10. So K will be 11 and E is nothing but 5. Now add all. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 11 is 20. Here it has 400. So make a square of 20. 20 square will be 400. Then we have BAE. B is 2. A is 1 and E is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So make a square of 8. It will give you 64. So BAE is 64. Correct. So bake. Now BAKE. So bake. B is 2, A is 1, K is 11, E is 5. Total 3 plus 5, 8 plus 11, 19. Now we have to make a square. So 19 square will be 361. Any option? Yes. Option B is there. So option B will become our correct answer, right? Okay. In MS Excel, which of the following function repeats text a number of times? So that is nothing but REPT. So the REPT function is a text function that allows you to repeat a specific text string a specified number of times. This can be useful in various scenarios, like if you want to create patterns, if you want to fill the cells, okay, with a specific characters, or even generating simple data visualization, right? So REPT will be the correct answer. Next, so mark the odd one out. Okay, so friends, basically this already we have done. So this and last question we have to do. So we have TWO, we have VYQ, we have XAS, we have ZCU, CEW, and DGY. So here we have to mark the odd one out, right? So TUV, so basically plus one gap, V, right? So TUVWX. So here again plus one, XYZ plus one, and after ZAB. So here plus one should be B, but here it is C. That means here only the problem is there, right? So this is only odd one out, which is not following plus one pattern, right? So your answer will become CEW. So this is the odd one out, which is not following the pattern. If here it will be B, then again BCD plus 1, it will be D. Clear? Okay. Now, so 40 question already we have done. Then 41. So we have HOLI, we have MTQN, we have RYVS, and then what? Now, here we'll have to find out the pattern. So H to M, M to R, right? So friends, H, okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So basically we could see it is plus 5 here. Then M, N, O, P, Q, R. Again it is plus 5 here. So R, S, T, U, V, W, right? So here it will start with W. So starting with W, we have three options. Only option C we can eliminate. Okay. Now next, O to T. So O, P, Q, R, S, T. So here also plus 5. So what we will do with Y, we will calculate plus 5. So Y, Z, A, B, C, D. So here it will be D. Okay. Now next again it is plus 5. So V, W, X, Y, Z, A. So here it is A. W, D, A. So we have any option? Yes, option D. So option D, it is plus 5. Basically, friends, so every letter, okay. So every letter is plus 5, right? So every letter is plus 5. Every letter is plus 5. So like this, we have to calculate the next logic. Okay. Now, friends, next is syllogism. So friends, syllogism is a little confusing topic. If your basic is not clear, then you will definitely find problem in syllogism. Okay. Now, so I have kept some very good problem which was asked in Accenture. Let us try to understand. Some cars are do's. So how do we make the diagram? So some cars, okay, are do's, right? So some cars are do. That means some car is in door and some door is in car. Okay. Now all doors are hat, right? So all doors. So all doors are there, no? So all doors are hat, right? So all doors are inside the hat. Okay, clear? Now, friends, the conclusion is some cars are hat. Some cars are hat. So see, hat and car both are crossing each other, right? That means some part of car is in hat and some part of hat is in car. So this is true. Some hats are doors, right? So, okay. So friends, one thing which you can keep in mind, if you say that sir all A are B, that all A are B, then you can say sir some B are A. How can you say? See here you can see all part of A is inside B, but all part of B is not inside A. This outer side of B is somewhere else, right? So that is the reason we can only say some part of B is A. Now, so here you can say all doors are hat, right? So you can say some hats are do's. So both 1 and 2 is true. So for 31st question, option D will be the correct answer, right? Okay. Now this question you have to understand. Please focus a bit. Some music is animation, right? So some music is animation. Some music is animation. Very good. Okay. And all animation is a movie, and all part of animation is a movie. Okay. Now no movie is a cartoon. So basically movie and cartoon, there is no relation. Movie and cartoon, there is no relation. Okay. Now some music is not cartoon. Some music is not cartoon. So this you have to understand. Okay. Now friends, you can see some music are movie, right? So some music is movie, right? And they have clearly said no movie is a cartoon. That means the some part of music which is movie will not be cartoon, because movie and cartoon there is no relation at all. That means whatever they are saying is perfectly all right. So some music is not cartoon. Why some music is not cartoon? Because some music is movie, and they clearly said here that no movie is cartoon. Clear? Okay. Now so first one is clear. Now some cartoon being animation is a possibility. So in this kind of question, right? So some cartoon being animation is a possibility. Let us try. So what we will do, we will bring the cartoon to animation. Okay. See what we are doing is we are trying to check the possibility that it is possible or not. So that cartoon, some cartoon, I bring it to animation, right? Now some cartoon is becoming animation is a possibility, but if this is true, then you can also say, right? So some cartoons are movies, which is violating this statement. That means it is not possible, because when I'm going to make this possible, then one of our statement is becoming wrong. No movie is a cartoon, but here movie is a cartoon is becoming. So that's the reason the second conclusion is true. Only conclusion one follows. See, some of you might not be agree with what I am explaining here. Okay. But friends, you need to understand that syllogism is very tricky, and your concept should be very clear. Okay. Now next question, I will give you one question from syllogism which you will be doing from home. No bats are balls. So no bats are balls. So bats and balls, they do not have any relation. Okay. Now some balls are hard. So some balls are hard, and all hearts are stone, and all hearts are stone. Clear? Fine, no problem. Now we will have four conclusion. We will try to solve one by one. Okay. Before that, friends, I wanted to tell you. So if no A or B, okay, is a statement, then the conclusion will be, you can say, sir, some A R not B is true and some B R not A is true. See, you have to attend the basic classes. You can search syllogism online study for you. You will be getting one video, basic video, which you can refer. Okay, now, so here they're telling no ball is bad. No ball is bad means you can say some bats are not ball and some balls are not bad, right? So the first conclusion, some balls are not bad. Yes, it is true. Next, some bats are not hard. Okay, some bats are not hard. Okay, now, so friends, bat and hard, no relation has been given. Bat and hard, no relation has been given. See, if suppose my name is Pratik, and here suppose the name is Sweta. Okay, now, so friends, if I ask you, Pratik and Sweta is friend, Pratik and Sweta is husband wife, Pratik and Sweta is cousins, brother sister, can you tell me what will be the relation? You can't say anything because you don't know about Pratik, you don't know about Sweta. So here, bat and hard, they have not given any relation. So if they have not given any relation, they cannot tell, or they cannot ask you that some bats are hard or some bats are not hard, because the relation has not been given. Okay, now, some stones are balls. So you see stone and balls are crossing each other. So that is true. Now, some stones are not bad. Again, same thing. Some stones are not bad. So friends, some stones are balls here, right? And this balls, right? These balls cannot be bad. If that will happen, right? Then this statement will become wrong. No bat or a ball. They're clearly telling there are no bats or ball. So some stones which are balls are not bad. Okay, understood? So the fourth one is also correct. So 1, 3, and 4, option D is the correct answer. Surrealism is a very tricky topic. The concept should be very, very clear. This is your homework. Please solve and let me know. Next. So in MS Excel, which of the following functions combines text together? So that is nothing but concatenate, right? So in a string also, right? So in a string, so in C programming, you might have studied. So string, right? So string also concatenation will happen. So to a string like S1 and S2 will get added. Same thing here. So concatenation will happen. Okay, so in MS Excel, which of the following combines together? Concatenate, right? Okay, now, then complete the comparison. So here we have to complete the comparison. BF is 512, and then GF, boyfriend and girlfriend, right? So B code is position is 2, F position is 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8, and 8 cube will be 512. Now GF, so G will be nothing but G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7, and this will be 6. So 7 plus 6 will be 13, and 13 cube will be 2197. So basically this option mistake is there. So option A, 2197 will be the correct answer. Okay, now friends, so here question number 33. So this is a data sufficiency question. So this is a data sufficiency question. Now, so what has been told here? So what was the cost before? So what was the cost before tax or delivery charge on an item for which the total bill with tax and delivery charge was 104 rupees? So they are asking, so what was the cost before? See, actually there is an item is there, right? And this item is going to you. So definitely tax or delivery charges will be imposed on that. So they're asking what is the cost before putting this tax or delivery charge. Okay, now, so we have two statement and you have to tell which all statement is sufficient to answer this question. Fine. Okay, now, so let us take a statement 2 first. Why, sir? Because the statement 2 is very straightforward. So total, right? So tax plus delivery charge, tax plus delivery charge is nothing but 104.35. Okay, now, so the delivery charge was 2.35. Now, so if you'll subtract the delivery charge, it will become 102 rupees, right? Okay, now, but this 102 rupees, again the tax will be also there, right? So statement 2 is not sufficient to answer the question. Statement 1 also I'll have to use it, and then only I will be getting the tax. Okay, so now if I'll subtract the tax from here, then I will be getting the correct answer, right? Okay, now the tax, so suppose the price before, so anyway you don't have to calculate, so you can clearly say, sir, both statement taken together are sufficient to answer the question. But anyway I will tell you. So suppose before tax and delivery charges, the price was X rupees. Okay, now, so anyway delivery charges we have reduced is 102. So now before, suppose it was X rupees. Okay, and then the tax has been given here, right? So 12.5% is nothing but 1/8. Okay, now, so delivery charges, right? So 1 plus 1 by 8, okay, 1 plus 1 by 8 is equals to 102 rupees, right? With tax. Delivery charges already we have taken out from here, okay? Delivery charges we have already taken out here, or what you can do here, so you can put 104 and you can add 2 here also. Now if we'll try to solve it, you will be getting the price. So I just wanted to tell you both the statements are required to solve the question here, okay? So option C will become the correct answer. Now friends, question number 31, it's a sitting arrangement question. So five professionals are sitting in a row. So five people are sitting in a row. One, two, three, four, five. Five professionals are sitting in a row. The accountant is sitting next to PhD. PhD who is sitting on the extreme left. So PhD is sitting at the extreme left. Okay. So this side will be your left. Okay. And this side will be your right. Okay. Now, so PhD is sitting on the extreme left and accountant is sitting next to the PhD. Okay. The musician is not sitting next to the lawyer, who is sitting between athlete and accountant. Okay, so basically athlete and accountant will be sitting like this, right? Then only they are asking, so who is sitting between athlete and accountant? See, if athlete will sit here, then there will be two middle place, then they will not ask you the question. Okay, so athlete will be sitting here, accountant will be here. Now two-person, musician and lawyer. Now musician can sit here and lawyer can sit here, or lawyer can sit here or musician can sit here. Okay, and musician will not be able to sit next to the lawyer, right? Okay, now what is the question? Who is sitting between athlete and accountant? So either musician or lawyer. So option C will become the correct answer. Okay, now question number 32. So question number 32, actually friends, I have some time foundation for today. So anyway, we have, okay, so this is one question. Okay, so fine. So this I will try to solve. So X, Y, Z and W are sitting around a square table with each person sitting along our distinct side of table. X sit opposite of the person who is wearing a red t-shirt. Y sits to the immediate right of the person who wears green shirt. The person wearing yellow is, okay. W sits on the opposite side of Z. Okay. So suppose W will be anywhere you can take, friends, no problem. Okay. So anywhere you can take. So suppose W you can take here and Z here, or Z you can take here or W here, no problem. Okay. Now, next they are telling X sit opposite to the person who is wearing red t-shirt. So X will be sitting here. Okay. Now only one person remaining. So definitely Y. Sir, why did you take X here? Why did not you take X here and Y here? Okay, friend, no problem. Anything you do, you will be getting the same answer. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Because they're sitting opposite. So no problem. Okay. So X sits opposite the person who is wearing a red shirt. So definitely Y will be wearing a red shirt. Y sits to the immediate right of the person who wears a green shirt. So definitely this will be green. Then only Y right. So Y will be sitting right of the person who wears green shirt. Okay. Now the person wearing yellow is to the left of the person wearing blue shirt. Okay. Now, so friends, the person wearing yellow is to the left of the person wearing a blue. So definitely this you will have to take blue, and then only left is this side and right is this side. So this will become yellow. Otherwise, you do not have any other option, right? If you will consider this blue, right, then left will be red. Okay, so that will become wrong. Okay, now, so what is the color of the shirt of X? So it is definitely blue, right? So friends, all these questions will be there. And see, if you wanted to get everything from the basics, if you wanted to understand, then you join aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop. And here, like, everything will be done from the basic. Lot of this kind of questions will be solved in the classroom. Okay, and you will be able to learn a lot just in 149 rupees, and it will help you for all the examination. Okay, so even if you have bought some big 1000 10,000 5,000 courses, this 149 rupees course will definitely feel you regret that this courses these classes are the best. Okay, find the missing term here. So 60, 90, so we have 60, we have 90, we have 180, we have 450. Friends, see, I have told you always in this number series kind of question that if the numbers are becoming bigger and bigger, then something is getting multiplied. So here if we'll try to see, into 2 into 1.5 into 2 and into 2.5, 180 into 2 will be 360, half of 180 will be 90, so it will be 450. Then this is 3 times, so 3 times will be 1350. So 1350, option A will be the correct answer for question number 40. Now, which of the following applications requires your webcam access? Google Meet, yes. So Google Meet, friends, Google Meet will be used for meeting Okay, so Google Meet will require the your camera. Skype is again a meeting place, so Skype will be also requiring your camera. MS Outlook, so it's a mail, so mail will not require any access for camera, right? So option 3 will be the correct answer, right? So option, which of the following, okay, so option 3 will not require any camera, so they're asking which of the following applications require your webcam access. So the meeting, so Google Meet, Skype, Zoom, so all this kind of meeting platform requires. So option A, okay, option A 1 and 2 requires your webcam access. Okay, now if we have copied the web address of a different website and pasted, friends, I was not able to get the full question, but what I could feel is hyperlink, right? So this hyperlink, right? So by removing hyperlink, okay, so what you can do here, all of them, okay, by using conditional formatting and by using text formatting option, right? So basically, so there will be a hyperlink like www in blue color .facebook.com, right? Facebook.com, okay, the facebook.com. So friends, what you can do by using text formatting options, by using conditional formatting, by removing hyperlink, by all these options, you will be able to remove this. Okay, fine. Then in which of the following applications you cannot run a spell check? Okay, so friends, in Notepad, so all this Microsoft Excel, Word and PowerPoint, you will be able to run the spell check. A spell check means, suppose you are writing a spelling of guarantee like this. Okay, so if you write in MS Word, so it will give you a red color here. Okay, that means it will tell you, okay, this is spell check. So if you click over here, you will be getting the correct the spelling. So here MS Word, PowerPoint and MS Excel. Option C, Notepad, you will not be getting the spell check. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer. In MS Word, if you have to move your cursor screen down, then which of the following will be true? Page down. So friends, if you press page down, then you will be able to go to the next page. Which of the following network devices work only at physical and data link layer of OSI model? So friend, that is nothing but bridge. Okay, so that is nothing but bridge. Okay, option D, so bridge will be working on both physical and data link layer. A stateful firewall maintains which of the following list of active connection? So that is nothing but routing table. Okay, that is nothing but routing table. And okay, so that's all friends for today. And I have tried to cover most of the question. If you feel the session was good, don't forget to like it, and I'll be doing more and more videos for all of you. Thank you, take care, and all the very best for Accenture exam.